How to configure an FTP backup in Plesk. In the Websites and Domains interface of your Plesk account, click on the Backup Manager icon. Click on the Remote Storage Settings option button and then click to go to FTP Storage Settings. Click to check the box and enable FTP storage. Enter your FTP domain name or IP address in the given input box. Enter the path where your backup file will be stored. You can also enter directory names such as /backups. Enter your FTP username and password. We recommend you enable and use passive mode. Use FTPS option is for security purpose and we leave it disabled. Now click to apply the settings. Settings have been applied successfully. Now click on the OK button. We have successfully configured an FTP's backup in our Plesk. Now we can take a backup to our remote backup server. To know how to take a backup, watch our another tutorial on how to generate and download the full backup of your Plesk account. Thank you for watching.